Welcome to my video. My friends and I embarked on a journey to study and research one of the famous temple given a name Beng Mealea Temple. We have taken some pictures to share with you, even though there isn't a specific time yet to visit that place. We enter the temple on the eastern entrance. To the main sanctuary at Beng Mealea Temple is mostly collapsed and obscured by rubble and encroaching jungle vegetation. Unlike the restored outer causeway, the inner sections of the temple remain largely in their ruinous state. Path to the main sanctuary. Cruciform cloisters. After passing through the eastern Gapura, monumental gate, a series of corridors known as cruciform cloisters would have originally led toward the central sanctuary. Let us find a way to walk through to the main sanctuary in temple. Summary of history in Beng Mealea Temple. Beng Mealea is a 12th century Khmer temple built by King Suryavarman II, the same monarch who constructed Angkor Wat, designed with a nearly identical floor plan. Historians consider the 12th century Beng Mealea Temple a possible prototype or blueprint for the more famous Angkor Wat, built by the same monarch, King Suryavarman II. However, archaeological studies offer conflicting evidence, and the precise construction timeline is still debated. Architectural similarities. The theory that Beng Mealea is a prototype is based on significant architectural and stylistic similarities between the two temples. Central sanctuary. Both temples feature a central sanctuary surrounded by multiple concentric galleries. The main difference is that Angkor Wat's central sanctuary is a pyramid-shaped temple mountain, while Beng Mealea was built on a flat plan. Dragon causeways. Both complexes are surrounded by wide moats, with long sandstone causeways featuring Naga serpent balustrades leading to the main entrance. Carving style. The decoration and carving styles of the devatas, female deities, and bas reliefs are comparable to those found at Angkor Wat. Founder. The temples were both likely founded under the reign of King Suryavarman II, which suggests that Beng Mealea could have been a rehearsal for the grander vision of Angkor Wat, built by the same monarch, King Suryavarman II. Evidence for and against the theory. The lack of a known foundation stela for Beng Mealea leaves its exact history open to interpretation. Supporting the prototype theory. Similar layouts. The comparable floor plans and design elements of the two temples strongly suggest that the architects used one as a model for the other. Let us continue to explore more temple arts and take pictures in temple region together. The wooden walkways in Beng Mealea Temple were originally constructed for a 2004 film and have since been maintained and expanded to safely guide tourists through the largely unrestored and jungle-encased ruins. They are a prominent and functional feature of the temple today, serving both preservation and access purposes. Origin and purpose. Built for a film. The first wooden walkways were built for the movie Two Brothers, 2004, directed by Jean-Jacques Annaud. The film is about two tiger cubs separated and then reunited in the wilderness of 1920s French Indochina. The filmmakers chose Beng Mealea for its dramatic, lost-in-the-jungle atmosphere, and the walkways were used to navigate the extensive piles of collapsed stones for filming. After filming ended, the walkways proved to be an effective way to control visitor flow, prevent further damage to the delicate ruins, and ensure safety for tourists traversing the unstable, overgrown site. The Apsara National Authority has since been involved in maintenance and expansion. Visitor experience. Provide safe access. The boardwalks allow visitors to explore the inner courtyards and central sanctuary of the temple without needing to clamber over heaps of fallen stone. It enables preservation. By keeping tourists on a designated path, the walkways protect the ancient structures and fragile moss-covered stones from wear and tear. In Beng Mealea, carvings depicting the Hindu creation myth of the churning of the ocean of milk can be found on a fallen lintel. The scene is located near one of the libraries within the temple's first enclosure. Though much of the temple is in ruins and overtaken by jungle, this carving remains a notable feature for visitors. About the carving. Location? The carving is on a fallen lintel in the northeast section of the temple's inner enclosure near the libraries. Subject? The carving portrays the story of the Samudra Manthana, where gods and demons cooperate in a cosmic tug-of-war to churn the ocean of milk. Details? The carving shows the gods and demons tugging on the body of the serpent king Vashuki, who is wrapped around a pole, Mount Mandara, to stir the ocean. Beng Mealea has 3 enclosing galleries and 4 main entrance gates. Like its larger counterpart, Angkor Wat, the temple's design was based on the sacred Hindu cosmology of Mount Meru, with the galleries and central sanctuary representing the mountain and the surrounding moat symbolizing the cosmic ocean. Galleries. The 3 galleries are concentric, built around a now collapsed central sanctuary. They are connected by cruciform cloisters, which are covered walkways that intersect each other. Central Sanctuary. Located at the heart of the complex, this was the most sacred area, but has since fallen into a pile of rubble. Third gallery, innermost. This gallery is closest to the sanctuary and contains structures referred to as libraries. Second gallery. Similar to the third, this gallery is also connected by cruciform cloisters. First gallery, outermost. The largest enclosure of the temple proper, measuring 152 by 181 meters. Gates, gopuras. Beng Mealea features entrance gates, or gopuras, on all 4 sides, oriented to the cardinal directions. Primary eastern entrance. The main causeway, decorated with 7-headed Naga serpents, leads to the primary eastern gate. Other entrances. Smaller causeways and gates lead into the temple from the north, south, and west. Beng Mealea is located in the following administrative divisions: Village, Beng Mealea Village; Commune, Beng Mealea Commune, also spelled Beng Mealea; District, Svai Lu District; Province, Siem Reap Province. The temple is situated about 65 to 70 kilometers east of Siem Reap town. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Signature outro, go!